Okay. Okay, so now I will start the training. So I think I understand that there are a lot of things to fill up from the templates, but just want to let you know that it's actually like a one time. So next time there is no need to fill out any more templates lah. Okay. So
I understand.
yes,
I would
okay.
like to know that if there is happen to the have I mean there's some data that is filled in incorrectly.
Mm.
Okay. So the staff themselves will be able to actually able to see the information and alert us and so that we can change in the later part. Shouldn't be a problem, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, can.
So for
Yes.
now, I will only grant you the access, and
Mm,
I believe you already tried to log in, right?
yes.
Yes.
I just did 5 minutes ago.
Oh, okay, okay. So later you can take your time to check if the details are correct, but I will let you know because some access I haven't assigned yet, but I will go through that with you later lah. So
Can, no
maybe I
problem.
just start on how to use our modules lah. Okay, so this is
Okay.
our dashboard when you log in as a user, and before you want to use any of these modules, right? You need to ensure that you have enough seats. Okay, so in order to do that, you just click on this button over here. Then you click on billing, so it will prompt you back to this page. Okay. So for now, I only purchased the payroll and leave module. So in the future, if you would like to use our claims and our time attendance module, you may purchase the seats over here. Okay, so you can just click on edit my plan
Oh,
and then
so at the moment it's just two because I think I need the attendant, and I think
yes,
you all have this performance appraiser.
yeah, that one is free, so don't need to purchase.
Okay, but the attendant wise,
Yeah, attendance need to purchase. So we have two. One is just clocking in and clocking out without any facial recognition. So
oh,
price varies lah. So depending if you want the employee
oh,
to take a selfie, then need to purchase the face recognition.
oh, but the whole package is actually,
The full suite, right?
yeah,
Yes.
it's a full sheet.
Mm. Okay. So I will just select this. Then for everybody, for the
Uh,
view.
yeah, for everybody because we have to check whether
Yeah.
they are because okay, I have to check if everybody attendant right. This one
Mm,
is
mm.
true, but some of the mobile one, how are you going to do the tracking?
So once the employee clock in and clock out, right, you can generate the timesheet based like maybe 1 week per week or per month. Then you can track you can see maybe employee A what time they clock in and what time they clock out.
Oh, so
Mm.
I mean, if we are only doing this for the admin, are we able to do so? Means that we do not need to purchase so many seats first.
Yes. So if you want only a group of employees, then you can purchase the number of employees that needs this uh time attendance module lah.
Ah, I see. Then okay, you don't take this first. We
Okay,
will
okay. Then
consider how much many do we need there.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I haven't purchased it, so I remove first. Okay, yeah. So in the future, if you need, then you can go to the billing and then you click edit my plan. So here you can purchase. Okay, but anyway, it's under PSG, so uh yeah, like it's a bit you can choose to add or
Yeah,
not.
but I mean, as such, because you all have the amount there, make
Mm,
me feel it's, I mean, in the sense that, because it's a full package and we have
mm,
paid
mm,
for a
mm,
year, right? So
mm.
after, if this payment is a bit weird.
Okay, okay, understand. Okay, never mind. So next time if you want, you can purchase lah. I mean, you can just
And
take it over here. Okay,
yeah,
so done. So once you have purchased the seats, right, you need to assign it to the employees. So in order to do that, just click on staff directory and then click on manage employees. So once you click on manage employees, we will bring you to this page. Okay, so
okay,
under manage employees, you can click assign seat and edit permission. So in this
okay,
page, you will see everybody's name over here. and all the permissions that you can assign to different employees. Okay, so in the
Oh,
future, if you have purchased the facial recognition seat, there will be a number over here. So this number will tell you how many seats you can assign.
okay.
Okay.
So I have to, this one have to be ticked one by one.
You can do bulk like all lah, but then now because I haven't purchased any seat, so I cannot take over here. But if everybody needs this module, then you can just tick the top small box over here. Then everybody will be assigned. If it's only a few employees, then yes, you need to take one by one.
Oh, okay.
Mm. Okay.
There's no filter which is I have put this under certain department, no, right? I
No,
don't
sorry.
do.
Maybe over here. Sorry, if you have department, then you can filter over here.
Oh, but I don't think the template there
I don't
is
have.
there. You don't have.
Never. Never mind, we can create later also can.
Oh, okay,
I will
can.
show you how to create and then how to assign lah.
Okay, can.
Okay, yeah. So assign over here, then you click on save. Okay.
Mm,
So once this is done, then we can go to the basic information. So the company's basic information I have already filled up. So if there is any other information that is missing, you can fill it up. But for example, the address. All these are not mandatory, but if you want, you can fill. Okay.
mhm.
Then so for department, yes, I can show you. So if you go to manage company, under category we have departments, cost center, and project code. So maybe you can give me one department I can create for you now.
STS.
SPS, like that.
STS. TS. Thailand. S. Yes.
That's
Mm,
it. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So now you just create and then you can click on assign. So
Mm,
you can assign, do you have
yeah.
anybody?
Okay. Melvin, you saw number 7. Number
7,
8. 8. Then okay, 18,
18,
20.
20,
Next page. Okay, yeah, 21,
21,
25,
25,
26, 27, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, 40.
40. Okay.
Yep. And the lastly the 41.
41. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how you create the apartment and then you can assign it to employees lah. So later you can create more and also you can assign them. Okay. Then next time if you want to assign the seats, you can filter via departments lah.
Okay, again, where's the okay, again, can you repeat previously the where to go where for the department?
Okay. So you go to manage company,
Mm-hmm.
then you click category.
Or category.
Here.
Then you plus the department. Then
Create.
create the
Yes.
okay.
And once
Can.
you create, you need to assign. So click the action button, then assign.
Okay.
It will show you the list. Okay.
Mm.
Can. Okay. And then, yeah, so in next time, if you have cost center project code, it's the same flow. Click on create and then assign. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then for appraisal, we also have, but it's a very simple performance module lah. Yeah, that is not very complicated. It's just it's an Excel format where you can fill in the employees' performance and etc.
Yeah. So you all don't do actually it's just a simple format to add in. Is it?
Yes, correct.
Or okay.
Okay.
It's just to add in then down
You
is
can
there
let me
a number system or what?
wait lah. Maybe I. Okay, so in every employee, you can add a new appraisal. So it's just filling in the
It's just filling the details. It's not that kind of where, oh, okay, means that it's
person.
just to
Yeah.
fill in. They can just fill in this, but there's no numbering score system or whatever. That's it.
But
The score is just this one, one, two.
yes.
Okay, can.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So sorry, wait, sorry, I accidentally closed the tab. One second, I join back.
All right.
Sorry, wait,
No worry. Take your time.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so now
Mm-mm,
on to the payroll information for the company. Okay, so
mm-mm,
this page, it's for, I know that Felix is running the payroll for your company, right? But I
mm,
will just show you how our payroll is, how to run our payroll, like just in case you want to know more.
mm,
Okay, so for our payroll page, we have two payroll cycles. So it's the monthly or ad hoc. So usually
mm-mm,
ad hoc is for resignees or new joiners. You can use our ad hoc payroll. And then for monthly, it will be your usual monthly payroll lah. Okay. So for monthly payroll, you cannot delete from the UI page. So if you need to delete any monthly payroll, you can let me know, then I will do it from the back end. But then for ad hoc payroll, you can delete it from your end lah. So for example, if I want to create a ad hoc payroll from 1st to 7 June, and um, this is how the payroll page will look like. Okay, so here you will show you the payroll date range and how many staff is included in this payroll. Okay, so if you want to delete it, you can just click here and then delete. Okay, but I can open
okay.
up the payroll to show you how it looks like lah. So everything will
Mm.
be prorated because I only create it for 7 days. So the numbers might be wrong lah. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So now you see the basic salary is prorated, which shouldn't be lah, okay? So this is how our payroll table will look like. So it will show you the earnings, deduction, and CPF contribution.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
Okay. So later I will go through with you. I will ask you some questions about the payroll report lah before I do the backdated payroll.
Okay, no problem.
So, oh yeah, I also can show you. Next time, if you are using our time attendance module,
Mm-mm.
and if there's any or leave or claim, right? If there's any like unpaid leave or any claims or any OT that is from the other modules, you can click sync, and then it will automatically appear in the payroll table. So you just need to click
Okay.
sync. Okay.
Because
Good.
you see, for our OT is actually, uh, they calculate manually, means that, so how can we actually have that inside, I
Mm.
mean, your software here?
Okay. So if you are using our time attendance module, we have a few options for you. Let me try. Okay, so if you are using our time attendance module, it's either are they use so I remember you told me that you have two OT components. One is the $25 fixed, and then the other one
Mm,
is the table, right? So
mm,
the table one, our system for classic, we cannot support this type of configuration.
okay, so means that you only support the come of hourly one
Yeah, hourly, correct. Or by percentage.
or by percentage.
Mm,
Okay, so if I totally do not want that, but I want to have a OT because I will be paying out the OT, right?
can.
So how can it be actually, uh, I mean, inside your system? Means that how can I have an additional column or whatever in your payroll in the system?
Can. Okay. So I've in this payroll module, right? We have this thing called pay item list. Okay,
Mm-mm.
so I've already created the ones that you have sent me, all this. And then I also created one called OT at $25 per hour. Okay,
Mm-mm.
so when you look at the setting, I set it as amount based on a defined hourly rate. So 1 hour is $25. So when I edit into the payroll file overtime at $25 per hour, okay, then I reload. Okay, can you see we have this pay tag overtime $25 per hour, right? So
Mm-mm.
for example, if this employee he worked 2 hours, so you just need to key in 2 hours and then we will show you the amount $50. Then you click on save. And then the date lah, which date he worked OT. So for example, if it's 5th of June, then it will show you $50 on OT. Then this is how his pay will look like. The OT, it's 2 hours on 5th of June.
Oh, okay. So ours, if ours is a overall monthly, means that Monday they will submit a report that is
Mm.
overall over time.
Mm.
So it has to be kicked one by one like that also.
You can do it in bulk lah, which means you
Is
can
that
you can no, you I mean you can copy and paste the data inside this table because this is also an Excel table. So from a report, you can key in how many hours and then our system will compute lor.
uh oh, okay, means that you download the report. After that you upload it again.
No, I mean you say that your employees will send you a report on the overtime, right?
Yes,
Is it Excel?
yes. Note, but yeah, it's not Excel.
Then you need to key in the hours lor.
Oh, okay, in the hours.
Like here over here that I did it. So like 2 hours, then it will show $50.
Oh, okay. So if it's in Excel, will
I
it be means that with the name, will it be able to when you upload, they will actually automatically upload to the uh individuals?
our this payroll cannot re-upload. So any editing, it's over here leh.
Ah,
Mm,
uh, so it's
yeah.
still actually quite manually, right?
Yeah, for pay types lah, if you need to input it over here.
Ah, I see.
Mm, yeah. Yeah, so if it's an Excel table, you can just copy and paste all the data over here lah. So you can follow by employee ID or sort by name, then you can copy and paste. So that's
Copy
the
and copy and paste. You mean
you can copy and
copy?
paste. So for example, I
Mm.
have an Excel sheet and then I can copy and paste the hours. Then I paste it here. So this one you can edit one. You can copy. Imagine I got one Excel, I put 50, then I copy and then I paste it over here.
Oh, okay.
Mm. Can copy, then you
Paste the hour over there.
yeah.
But not the figure because ours is actually
Oh,
we have the
figure.
figure.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
figure
the
is
amount.
amount is easier. So because I thought you want to show how many hours they work.
But of course, if your system can track the hours, of course, we also need the total hours. I mean that
Oh,
they work. So be correct.
if you want amount, then you can put ad hoc amount, but then cannot show the hours. But if you want by hour, then you can do amount based on defined hourly rate.
Okay. So means that uh okay, can I add so once I choose whatever
Mm,
thereafter there's no changes, is it? Means that now it may be $25 per hour.
mm.
May next time it may be
Can,
another figure, or
can,
now I can do a hot, then after that I can do another one is not a
yes,
hot, means that
yes,
can.
yes. So you can create multiple pay types that has
Ah,
different settings.
okay.
Yeah.
Mm,
So if you want amount, then you just leave it like that. Then the table will not be hourly lor, it will be just amount. So just copy and paste. So if I'm opening Excel now, so $50, then I just put 50 over here like that.
Oh, because from you saw my salary report, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you did.
It's by amount lah. It's by
Yeah,
amount.
it's by amount because we actually add up. But of course,
Mm.
I mean now we can categorize it. I mean it may be good in the
You can
sense.
add a comment over here. OT
Oh,
2 hours.
uh,
Can.
not that. I think it's not the
Ask.
hour because there's two portion. One is actually hourly. One is actually ad hoc by special rate.
Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
so
Oh.
currently we of course we track by amount.
Mm.
And in this is a actually very manual form of me Excel. They are having
Mm,
Excel sheet and give me the
mm.
PDF.
So if Excel you can copy and paste that. So I'm opening a report now for January. This quiz Sui Han has $100 of OT. Then when I go to his payslip, I just key like that, 100. Sorry, 100 like that. Yeah. So I mean, when I do your backdated payroll later, I will also be copy and paste that from the payroll report that you send me.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So what? But can you share with me have the efficient way for you to actually
Oh,
instead of going one by one?
okay. Wait, okay. Maybe let me I delete this payroll first, then
Mm.
I try to do 1 month first, but uh so for at backdated I will use the ad hoc payroll lah. So in June when Felix runs your payroll, he can use the monthly one because I set it as you will start using payroll easily in June lah, like to run your payroll.
Oh,
So now
okay.
I start from January 1st to 31st.
But the amount that actually that remember the amount that I mentioned you the salary that
Mm,
given you that one actually I do it I actually I wrote the date there is the 1st of Jan, but
mm,
you look at my salary report is
mm.
not it's not that amount. It's because we actually in fact I mean we backdate it
You
because
bet.
salary review is actually 1st
Mm-hmm.
of January every year, but uh, due to I mean all the KPI going through, or that it will there's certain delay, so usually it will end up in March,
Oh,
February or March later. Say,
mm. Okay,
but
so but does it matter? If like if I create January's payroll, then I put this range. Should be no issue, right?
it will be an issue because the thing is that they didn't receive the amount.
So for wait, let me put. So if I see here, this is January, right? This
Yeah,
one.
uh-huh.
Okay, so this salary is received on.
23rd Jan.
Oh, then I can put here lah, the payment date. I can put 23rd Jan. So it will on when they generate their payslip, it will show the payment date is 23rd of Jan.
But the amount, when you say you or ad hoc, you will just copy and paste. But
Yes,
when
yes.
you run a salary, then it will actually tag to that salary column
Contact.
which
Yeah,
oh, okay.
yeah. So now I'm seeing like this. I think this one is sort via what? It's not.
Sort by it's not sort by anything.
Oh,
mm. So that's it's not sort
oh,
by anything.
it's not even sort by name because I haven't had the time to look at it. Okay,
No,
maybe.
it's not even sort by name.
Oh, okay. Uh, wait Let me see what I can do. But usually, if copy and paste, right, you sort by name easier, so I can just copy and paste.
Ah, no, it's not
Yeah.
even sort by name because my boss wanted to be this way. So
Which
he's
way?
usually the first.
Oh, can I do like this? Adeline. Okay, not. Ah.
Yeah, as long as I mean your software can sort, it's actually sort by alphabet also.
Yeah, sort by alphabet, or you can sort by employee ID.
Ah, okay.
Because it's if it's Excel, right, then it's easier. And then maybe I put by employee ID a bit better. Just send it. Because I see the sorting, the name also wrong. Okay, never mind. That one I will figure it out lah.
Okay.
Okay, so never mind. So yeah, so this is how you run the payroll lah. Then imagine, let's say for example, everything is the same. Then you can just copy and paste over here,
Mm-hmm.
every column lah. Okay. Then once the payroll is correct, then we can submit for approval or approve it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if the payroll approval, you can just approve. And
Okay,
then
I would like to know is that once you approve or submit, I mean approve it, then you notice that there's some error. So how
Hmm,
can we actually do the correction?
okay,
Or can
can.
we just copy and paste and overwrite it?
Okay, so before the so after if the payroll is approved and released, right? So for example, now okay, then I save, then I approve it, and later I will delete it. Okay, so now you see under ad hoc there's no more already, right? When you
Uh-uh.
scroll down, you can see payroll history. Okay, so if there's any error, you can just click on action, then you click revert to draft.
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
So now it will go back up to under ad hoc payroll, then you can edit over here.
Okay. So means that even if it's posted, is not correct, we can actually pull it out again and
Yes,
do amendment.
then you
Oh,
submit,
okay.
submit
Then
again.
submit
Mm,
again.
mm.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Mm,
can.
got it.
Okay,
Can.
wait, just check how many people are there. So there are 40 people in this payroll file, but in the one that we generated only 36. Okay, I think I need to figure out who is missing from January's payroll
Yeah,
file. Yours got 40 and then ours only got 36. Is it somebody joined halfway or
yeah, yeah. Because I think some of it is that they quit. So actually, I didn't intend to put them in. So I'm
mm,
now wondering, should I put them in now?
yeah, because our this number, right, is based on the employee's join date. So for example, this Sun Kun, if his join date is 19 January 2021, it will still appear. But if it's February 2026, right? Sorry, February 2026, right? Then he won't appear in the January payroll file.
Ah, okay.
So
But
I think
because my worksheet is not like that. My worksheet uh is a 12 months with the total. So whatever additional stuff, right, I will add in for the 12 sheet.
which is a 12 sheet.
Yeah, the from Jan to December, or
Means
from
even though
Jan
they
to total. Yeah, so that at my total there is actually the up to date, I mean yearly
oh
income.
okay. So this
Mm.
also never include the
So
and
I will include everyone, means that every single person that will be means that even if this person is joined in December,
ah
yeah, so
yeah.
I will January tab it will be there also. He will be have to be there
Oh,
also.
okay,
But
okay.
it the name may not be there, means that I will actually insert a role for this person.
Oh, okay. So there might be people in January's payroll that has already left the company lah. Is it?
No, there might be people who actually join in the later part. Means that
Oh,
maybe in a April, you look at, okay, you go to the tab May,
Me,
Uh, okay, you see there's two more person below, right? A few more new staff below, right? Is actually joined during May, but in January
oh,
it's not there. But the thing is that I will still insert the role there, but it should
mm,
be after the role maybe 40 something.
Mark. Is it Mark? Mark
There's a
Hu
few.
Xingwei. Let me find his name.
No, it's not here, not here.
This one. This one? Oh, 25th May lah. Eugene. So this Mark is he inside here? No, right?
No, it's not.
Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm just wondering why our platform calculate 36 staff only for January.
Yeah, you probably open it up. Uh,
So this.
oh, okay. There's some hidden. Okay, there might be some hidden role. Can
Okay.
you make sure all the role? Yeah,
Unhide lah. I unhide already.
I have here.
Hmm. So wait 1 to 40 leh. Okay, never mind. I will figure it out. I'll try to look for it. Then I will ask you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so never mind. I just go through first now. So this is the bank account details that I've already filled.
Mm, mm,
Should be all correct. And then this is the pay item list where you can create the pay types that I mentioned just now.
mm.
So if there's any OT that you want to create, you can click on create. Then you can name it. So maybe ad hoc OT, I don't know, special amount lah.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need to fill in is it AW or OW and then the IR8A code. And if it's a variable amount, it can be ad hoc or it can be based on all these lah.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so once, I'm sorry, yeah. So once you created any pay types, you can assign it to the employees here or in
Mm-mm.
the payroll table just now. So over here, if I click on manage, then I can click add pay item over here. So both ways also works the same.
Pay item. So you go to in the individual employee to add
No need, no need. So if you add pay item, it will appear, for example, if I add dental claim, then it will appear in the table.
everyone.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
if amount is zero, it won't appear in their payslip lah. Only those got amount, then it will appear dental claim, then the amount.
Mm-mm.
So likewise, if you want to delete, you can click on delete. Then you select dental claim, you click on delete, then the whole row will be gone.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then yeah, so I see your this payroll, right? For example, the allowance. Where's the allowance? This one, right? Transport and housing allowance, right? For Eric, right? How much is, do you need to show the breakdown, like transport, how much
No,
housing?
no. Means that actually one of the in they are only one person. They are only in such case, right, is
Mm.
actually a transport allowance. So I
Oh,
didn't split it up. Yeah. So for housing allowance, right, it's only a few of them. So I will notice that it's actually Johnson is a
uh-huh.
housing allowance. So
Uh-huh.
the amount is totally different because
Yeah.
that time remember I actually furnish your key in the transport
Mm.
allowance, the sales or whatever. You see
Yeah.
the amount is totally different.
Yeah,
But
correct.
only Eric one is not there. Means it's 3,000 is not there. The transport allowance. Oh yeah, I put there. Transport allowance. Let
Correct.
me take a look. Is it 3K
Think it
or
was 900.
means that I have to put another one. This one is different. This is not
Oh,
director level. It's a managing director.
I can create now. So transport allowance for what kind
Managing director. MD you can just put.
and then the it's a OW, right?
Yeah.
Other allowance. Fixed, right? Every
Yes.
month.
Yes.
So 3,000.
Yeah. 3,000.
So only your boss have like the Eric have, right?
Yes. I
Okay,
mean, yeah. For him, it's
for now
three
lah.
thousand. For now. but I think this one is January. I'm not sure. During March, it's actually
March.
still 3,000. It's still 3,000, right?
Yeah,
There's no changes, right?
yeah, all
Yeah.
three thousand.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then
Mm.
I will just assign it to him
Yeah,
and
oh, so how you assign? So
yeah,
you go to him.
yeah. No need. So this is the company's payroll, right? Pay
Mm,
module. Then I this one, the one I created for him, transport
mm,
allowance. I
uh,
click assign. Then
uh,
I find his name. It's the last page. So I just click like that. Then I save. So
okay.
go to the payroll table. When I reload, when I find his name, you will have 3,000 over here.
Okay. Can.
Mm, yeah. So now, okay. Then for Johnson is 1,000 for housing, is it?
Yes, housing.
Uh,
Johnson, Jason, and they have different rate. Okay, then you go Johnson first. Johnson is 1,000.
okay. Housing. Housing. Did I
Yeah.
create?
Yeah,
This one
1K. Yeah,
can,
yes,
right?
correct.
Okay. So I assign to Johnson.
Mm.
Can anybody else 1,000? Because
No, they have different rates. I don't think
oh,
it. That's why I have all these. That's why when you ask me to actually
oh,
fill in the template, I will have some. I'm wondering, they are having different rates, so
okay.
cannot be only one. Means that it's not so straightforward. I don't know about others. Probably others is more straightforward. They only have one or two value.
Okay, never mind. So like that, right?
Mm.
I think because I don't see 1,001 and 1,002 for housing allowance.
Have.
Oh yeah,
There.
okay, then how about those key all that?
Jason. Yeah. Then the mark is actually 1,002.
Okay,
Then I
so
think Danny, you go to there's one called Danny. Uh, uh,
mm,
oh
this one,
yeah, did I miss him out? Okay,
then
Danny and Jason is 1,001. You look at it, number eight, the row 25 and 26.
sorry. This is
Row
then
20, we talk about row 25
ah
and 26.
4,001.
Yeah, they are 1,001. So
And
there's
then
three. Yeah, then the other one is Mark. Mark is actually joined during May. His is actually 1,002. So from June you can see his is 1,002. Mark.
oh this one.
1,002.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then okay, wait then this is a bit tricky. So okay, so this one is housing. Any other thing is not housing, means any
No,
transport.
no. Other
Or
than that, all are transport already.
huh?
Other
Oh,
than
this
these
is
few,
transport.
yes, this is transport.
Oh, wait. Okay. Then let me do housing first. Then we
Yeah.
can do the transport. Okay,
Yeah,
so
so it's
1,000.
actually much easier when I tell you which is which.
Okay. Wait, let me remove the amount first so I can key in better. So
Mm,
wait, Johnson is 1,000, right?
yeah.
1,000. Okay, and then Mark is in May, in June.
What is in June is 1,002.
Okay, so Jason and
Danny is 1,001.
Jason, wait, Jason, 1,001,
Mm.
and Danny Chan.
Number three. Then,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so maybe here you still need to actually key in the amount.
Because if I key, so if everybody is different amount, right, I will prefer to key like one shot I assign, then I key in the amount. But if everybody gets the same amount, right, then it's easier lah. So if everybody gets a housing allowance of 1,001, then
Mm.
you can key in the amount over here. But then
Oh,
because there are a few different amounts, like for example, all these transport, right?
mm.
Uh, uh, like transport allowance like that, I will put it at 0. And then when I assign it to them, I can key in the amount based on your table over here. So for example, if I give
Oh,
then I can put 750 like that, like that.
Oh,
And
but you go to Pacific. How? Okay, okay. So how? Okay. But I thought because. Hmm? Oh, but I mean, then it defeat the purpose of me having what transport allowance for HOD, like that, right? Because
I mean, you can tell me because I don't know who is under director, who is under HOD, MD, motorcycle, all this.
oh, I thought you're from the amount you will know. Because then I
Oh,
was wondering, I said, that's why at first I'm figuring out, I said, oh, from
oh,
the amount you may be tagged to able to
uh,
tag, how you going to
can.
figure out?
But I need to see one by one lah, like 100, then which one is 100, because I need to go in and see the amount over here, which I can do also, but I just need a bit more time lah. Okay,
Mm-mm.
so for example, okay, so now then like this, I can remove the this one lor, because he's under 750, right? Yeah. So yeah, can lah. Later I will based on the amount, then I will assign. So this 100,
Oh,
mm,
okay. So means that in fact that in
yeah.
as such actually from this item list
Mm,
of item actually if the if you're using the way method you're doing so,
mm,
I don't need to have so many categorized. Right? I don't need to
yes.
actually categorize it, correct?
Yes.
Huh?
But it's okay lah. Since you create it, then next time if you know which employee belongs to this sales manager, then you just click on one lor, then you can assign it to them. But since I already
Oh,
did it already, then we just use it lah. It's just that now I just need to do it once, because every month they also will receive the same allowance, right? Unless there's any
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, unless
Then
there's a means that it's easier in the sense that next time if there's an increase in the transport allowance for
mm,
let's say for the HOD,
mm,
so I just actually amend here, it will
yes,
impact, it will actually automatically
yes,
change, correct?
correct, correct.
Or for those who is tagged to this travel
Yes,
allowance
correct.
HOD. Yeah.
HOD. Yes,
Yeah, I
correct.
thought it's like that. But
Yeah.
the way you do it, you say, oh, it's
Yeah.
actually one time.
Yeah.
But
But
if you
now
have 100 employees, then how?
yeah, so this one, yeah lah. So I will just follow via this one lor, the numbers over here.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
can,
Okay.
thanks.
Then, okay. Then I want to check this MVC. Does it need to be included in the payslip? Need to show
No need lah.
money, right? Because I
Yeah.
realized it's actually inside the basic salary already.
Hmm?
Means this
It's a
MVC.
percentage. Yes, it's a
Oh,
10%.
okay, okay. Okay, okay, then can I? Okay, I just want to confirm. Okay, can. So yeah, our payroll is like this, how to add pay type. Then when you
Mm-mm.
scroll down even more, you can download
Mm-mm.
our the year-to-date payroll report. So this is only available for the payrolls that has been approved and approved. Then you can generate the report. So if they are in draft, rejected, or cancelled, right?
Mm-mm.
You cannot generate the report lah. Okay.
Oh, okay. Can.
So if you want any CPF payment report, it's also under here. You can also use our CPF submission over here as well. And if you need to generate the bank file, the gyro file, you can also do it over here. Okay. And
Oh,
mm,
okay.
okay. And our system is also part of the AIS for the IRA 8A. So you can also use our system to create next year's year-end tax lah, if required.
Okay. So for this is what? So it's upload the whole file to Iris will do.
No, you can submit through our app.
Oh, I can submit through your
Mm,
app.
yes,
Okay,
correct.
can. Because right now Iris they actually lump everything together in one sum.
Understand. So you see, I just create, but you can delete lah. So over here, and then you can see the employees RA, but because now there's no payroll at all, so
Mm,
it's wrong lah. You can There's nothing, but you can do it once you finish your December's payroll.
mm-mm.
Okay, so now payroll is almost done. Do you have any questions for payroll?
I tentatively know.
Okay.
You are so
Then
fast, but anyway, I just uh okay, roughly know how what is going on.
mm,
So on.
can understand. Okay. Then maybe I will go on to our leave module. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So this is the company's leave module. And then when you scroll down, you can see all these different tabs. So
Mm.
I have created the leave type based on what you have given me and have also assigned it based on the list lah. So for example, annually for junior executive is all these people that has the numbers lah. There were all that.
Oh.
Okay. So next time if you have new employees that you want them to assign to this particular leave. So for example, Ang lah, okay, so you just click on his name. Okay, you don't have to input any number because it's 16 in default lah. Then you just click put to selected and then you just click on save. Okay, so like this means Ang has 16 days of leave lah.
I
Okay,
see, I
so
see.
you
Then
don't,
actually we have I mean the categorize it into as a senior and
mm,
junior.
oh,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
created so senior and junior management, finance.
Yeah. So but it is the template doesn't have it. So I think the individual uh you are not able to identify the individual is belongs to which category.
I think you send me already leh. So for
Is
example,
it? Did I?
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Oh,
senior,
yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, correct.
yeah.
That's
But
correct.
then
Mm.
the approvers, I cannot assign them. I mean, I cannot assign the approvers because I need to give them online access. Then I can assign them. So
Can, no problem.
once I done all the backdated payroll, then when you want to open to all the employees to use our platform, then I will do the assigning of the approvers lah.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Mm. Okay, so yeah, so I show you already the leave type. So next time, if you have a special leave that you want to create, you can go to leave type and then you click on create. Then you can name it, for example, off in lieu. And then if it's count by working days or calendar days. And then what is the leave entitlement mode? So we have a few. So usually one day is full entitlement upfront. Then you can just click one day. Okay. And then if you allow them to roll over to next year, or if you need them to submit any attachment, then you can tick accordingly and then you click on save. So like any other things that you have created, once you create, you need to assign it. So we will find the one that I created, which is off in lieu, and then you can
Mm-mm.
click on assign to multiple employees. So if everybody is entitled to one day, you just need to tick this small box and then click put to selected, then they have one day already. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you just click
Oh,
put to selected. No need to put number of days. If not, it will be double.
oh, okay.
Mm. So what do I mean by double, right? So if, for example, if you click, for example, this employee, then I click put to selected, right? Then let me remove his name. I click put to selected. Then here I put another one day, right? It means that he has 2 days already. So it will be very messy lah. Sorry. Okay, never
But
mind.
for such I mean for off in due when they do the application that time,
Mm,
uh oh yeah, from their ad they choose that off in
correct.
due so that we will know. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Mm, okay. So I haven't assigned medical leave, so I will assume everybody lah will be
Yes,
selected,
yeah,
right?
this one
So
is straightforward, it's everybody.
okay, then I put the selected. This one also put the selected, and then put the selected. Okay, and save. Okay, so next time if anybody needs paternity leave, maternity leave, you can assign it over here. This one is our system default one lah.
Mm.
Okay, then as an admin of the leave module, you will also be able to see the leave history of the employee that you want to know. So we also have the status. So if you want to check any whose leave is still pending approval, you can just click on status and then it will show you the list over here. Okay, and if you want to create like a company holiday, you can just click over here. Maybe I put company holiday. You need to select the date. So for example, I put like that, and then automatically it will appear company holiday in the calendar lah. Means
Mm.
yeah. Okay, I just delete first. Okay, then we also have a leave balance report that you can generate if you want to see the balance, or we also have the year to date, which can generate from for the whole year.
I see. Okay, for leave such as this, can
Mm,
is it possible to assign someone? I mean, but the salary can be shielded from letting you know the all the
can.
salary.
So for means you only want them to manage the leave module, right?
Mm.
Can. So here manage employees, right? Can I'm actually easier if I. So for example, I go to Ang.
Able to link L.
Oh, okay. Lyn ha.
Mm.
Okay, so for example, but because now she don't have online access, so I cannot save. Okay. But
Ah.
next time, I mean in the future, you just go to her account, her profile, then you click on edit. So if you scroll down, you see now she don't have any online access lah. So
Mm.
you can give her this only, manage leave module and information and setting. So this one allows her to add leave or check the leave, download leave balance report, but she cannot approve or recommend anybody's leave lah.
I see. So for currently, if you are having this, means that you give the on once you give the online access,
Hmm.
they'll be able to like application. Will it be in one of the approval? Means that one of the box that it take. Or this one is standard, means that you give once you take the give this employee online access, means that it's for application and
Yes. So if you click, so for now, Lynn, right, she only have assigned leave module, right? So if you click this one, means she can go in as an employee to apply for leave only. Apply for leave.
okay.
Yeah. So but then if you click these two like this, means she can go in to apply her leave, and she can also go in to manage the leave module.
Oh, so usually,
Hmm.
is employee allowed to actually manage their own data also? Means that
Cannot,
they can
cannot,
admin. Oh no, means I
cannot.
thought they can actually freely change their own address if they
Oh,
they move.
that one is under manage company basic settings employee. But if you give this, I means they can see everybody's leave already. So
Ah, I see.
yeah, to make sure that they don't touch any other settings, right? I will suggest like only HR or you can have this setting lah, so that you
I
change on
see.
behalf of them. Yeah, just in
I
case
see.
lah. Mm,
I see. Okay, can get it.
okay.
Mm.
Yeah, so our leave module is quite straightforward. Yeah, just apply for leave. Then when they log in, they can also use you can also apply leave on behalf of your employee. So apply for leave. But because I'm logging in through backend lah, so I cannot do it. But I think for yourself, I given you full admin, so next time you can apply leave for on behalf of your employee.
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, I think payroll and leave, that's about it. Do you have anything else you want to see?
Uh, I think that's all. The
Mm,
attendant, that's it.
mm.
Attendant, how you actually mark the, I mean, the attendant, how they actually mark the attendant, but all this
So
is
the
a mobile app, is it?
time attendance, is it like time like
Yeah,
clock?
time.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
they can clock in and clock out using their phone lah. So there are some settings that needs to be set first. So for example, wait, time attendance. So because I haven't purchased the seat, wait, let me use my desk account to show you. Yeah. Okay, so this is my desk account. Okay, if I go to the time attendance module, I will need to first create locations. Okay,
Mm,
so now I've created one which is home.
mm,
Uh, if next time if you want to create, you can just name it office, you put in a postal code and then the address. The
Mm.
radius means they need to be in this radius to be able to clock in and clock out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want some leeway, you can put 500 lah, or usually 100. Yeah,
Mm.
depending how strict you want to be. Okay. Then once you create the location, you can assign it to the employees. So for me, I assign myself to home, and then when and if you want the facial recognition, right, means they need to take picture before they can clock in. You will need to upload their photo first. So
Oh.
so your staff need to send you the photo, then you register for them. So you can register, select the staff, maybe for comfort testing, then you need to upload the photo.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
troublesome. Okay.
Yeah.
Beside face recognition, any other
So
easier one?
if you don't want face recognition, then just assign them to a location, and then
Mm-mm.
when they when let me wait, let me use my phone. Okay, so now I share my screen using my phone. Wait, how do I share my screen? Okay, so okay, wait can you see my phone? Can okay. So now when I go
Oh, okay.
to HR, this is our app lah. Okay,
Mm-mm.
and I need to change my company first because now I'm using the facial recognition, so I need to take picture lah. But once if you don't want, then you can just log in. Your employee log in. They click on more, go to time attendance, and then click on mobile timing. So now I can time in, then then I need to take a picture lah, which no need lah. Then once I take a picture, I can just clock in already. But if no need
Oh.
picture, they can just time in.
Oh, okay.
Mm, yeah. So if you think very troublesome for facial recognition, then you don't need to subscribe to the facial recognition. You just need to subscribe to our time attendance module.
Okay.
Mm,
I think much better.
yeah. Then you don't have because you need to register lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Means that they just self-attendant tick. I mean, just actually go to the mobile app, then
Yeah.
just tick will
Good.
do. So I
Correct.
don't need to do any registration, right?
Yeah. 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 So
Okay.
once they clock in and clock out, right, you can go
Mm,
to time attendance data, and
mm,
then you can generate the timesheet. So for
mm,
example, if you want to see from 1st to 7 May what who clocked in and what time, you can
mm.
generate over here. So you click on create timesheet, then create timesheet. You select the date, so maybe 1st to 7 June. Then when you create the timesheet, click on manage, then it will show you over here. Like if is there any overtime, lateness or undertime.
Oh, okay.
Mm. Yeah, so because my test account I don't have much data lah, so there's currently nothing here.
Oh,
Mm. Yeah,
okay.
so yeah, that is our very straightforward time attendance module.
Mm,
Anything else you want to see?
mm,
Maybe for payroll, right?
mm, mm.
We just need to make sure that there is no open payroll that is in draft mode, cancelled or rejected. Because imagine if you open one over here and one open here, right? Our system will compute both salaries
Ah,
into one. Yeah, so that one quite important, need to take note lah. This will affect like
okay.
the self-help group, the SDL amount also. If you have one that
Ah,
rejected and one open, then the amount will change because it's our system compute as the total wages for the whole month. So if you open two payroll, right, it will compute twice. Then the amount will
I
be
see.
mm,
Okay, for the month. All right, can.
mm. So if you don't need any payroll, just make sure to like delete it lah. Delete it from the payroll.
Mm, 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 mm.
Okay. I think that's about it. Do you have any questions you want to ask me?
No, not at the moment. So
Mm.
because okay, you see from my worksheet there, I mean
Mm, mm.
the salary file,
Ah,
how
mm.
can you actually make it more efficient so that you can just copy and paste in?
I'm thinking if I because you got employee ID, so if I just copy and paste the employee ID, right? I means I generate the employee report, then I copy and paste over here, right? Then I can sort via employee ID.
Which is much easier.
Yeah, correct. But then because your sheet you do until very nice, so I don't want to mess it up. So maybe I will copy and paste everything onto a new worksheet lah. So at least I still have the original data. I can go back and refer.
For reference, yeah,
Mm,
because this is what I do.
mm,
All is actually in very manual form. That's why we
yeah,
need a software.
yeah. Okay. I will try to sort by I will put maybe the employee ID over here, but I still need to copy and paste one by one lah. But like just hopefully it's just one time. Then
All
I
right.
yeah can. Yeah, so actually can I know when do you start preparing your payroll for June?
20. The payment out is disbursement is at 25th. So about on maybe 20th.
20th you need to prepare. So the backdate all the backdated payrolls need to be done by 17 lah. Because I'm going on leave next the whole week and then only 15 I'm back. So I will try to finish some today and then when I'm back I will finish the rest. So I will make sure that the payroll report is done like from January to May. Is it May? May
Yeah,
lah.
January to May. Yes.
It's done before you start running your June's payroll.
Yeah.
Mm,
Okay. Can.
okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Anything you want to ask before we can end the call?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Can.
Nothing I owe from you, right? Wait, let me check my notes. 1 second. Oh, I think Eric's bank account number has some issues that I cannot seem to
Bank
save it.
account number.
Yeah, I think his bank account number I cannot seem to save it. Wait, let me try again, Eric. Because yesterday when I did the implementation of this one, then they say the
Account number is not correct.
wait, let me see again. Down. Okay.
Yeah, I key it wrong. So many of them.
Yeah. Wait, bank.
Manually, there's a problem. That's why at first I went through the list again. Then I noticed that the there's two Kelvin. Their salary are actually different. I key the same.
Oh, wait, let me
Life
put
and I do the update thing.
Eric, right? His bank account number is DBS
Yeah.
seven
Okay.
one
271226725 Did I key in wrongly?
27122 two
Two
five.
five two.
Branch code is 36 36.
Currently, there's no branch code, right?
Never mind, I manually key in for you.
Oh,
Okay, so first
currently,
three digits, 271. Let me try to see if you can save.
yeah, 27122672252.
Okay, can already. 27122672252.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, okay, can. Okay. Yeah, I think my side, I think everything is okay. I just need to do the backdated payroll for you. And then once I'm done, I will send you the payroll reports for you to double check the amounts lah.
Yeah, okay, can.
Okay, then
Okay. Then after probably I'll learn how it means that at least I can churn out the monthly one. It's easier to check.
yeah.
Currently, in such a, format, it's actually quite difficult to check.
Okay, okay. Can I will try to finish it as soon as possible. Then I email you when I'm done.
Okay, no problem. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.